Today's Korean syrup story is ginger-cheong. This spicy root is a natural gift that grows in the mountainous regions of Korea, warming the body and boosting immunity. The abundant gingerol in ginger aids digestion and is effective for preventing colds and recovering from fatigue. Since ancient times, the ancestors of Korea have maintained their health with ginger syrup during the cold seasons. Whether as a warm tea, a refreshing aid, or a subtle flavor in cooking, this is a traditional health syrup that can be used throughout all 4 seasons. Peel thinly and soak in cold water to soften the spiciness. Then marinate with sugar in a 11 ratio and let it mature in a cool place for over 3 months. Ginger-cheong is even more flavorful with honey. Enjoy a spoonful each day to boost your energy and experience the warmth of nature at your table.